Lotto forecast.
Oh, Ebina, I'm saying 3 months or so into second term of Nana Adono.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana Stem TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. See, Kotojuegu form inside and sign Honorable Asiedu Nketiah, our chairman of the National Democratic Congress. We say National Distraction Congress. Would that be cover? It's a National Caucus. And all those ones, say, now, or see, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Acho. Also, Panacho pa. Na onu Asiedu Nketiah no pese on so ba beye omampani e wo Ghana ha. O si enti ontina ho na John Mahama His Excellency nko akoseniama. O seniama no we na fe na we kill you onu Asiedu Nketiah ni ambition because on Asiedu Nketiah also pese omampani. Ye frau His Excellency and I say your Excellency ayede. Now imagine say yes or man your mosquito as president. Say we all become say malaria there be kwa. Because maybe a mosquito bet me only anopheles not make us say Debbie don't bite Ghanaians for the next 4 years. Right? So it's not bad say a mosquito is aspiring to become a president of the republic. But you see, what he's saying is true. That the political future of NDC, which include his personal political future as Asiedu Nketiah, wanted to become flag bearer of the party. And we know, say, Oko NDC more. So far, we've heard the names of Asiedu Nketiah, we've heard of Julius Zebra. Okay, I think some other people. I don't know if Kwabena Dufour will want to come back again, stage a comeback, but so far these two they say they want to contest. Their political future is based on the performance of John Dramani Mahama. So it's a call in the right direction. But so far, John Mahama is actually has done over 90 days in power so far. But actually saying man 120 days to do certain things. So far, when you look at the 90 days plus that he has been in power, and even more than 100 days now, maybe as we speak, his performance has not been too impressive. His performance has not been too impressive. There are a lot of promises His Excellency John Dramani Mahama right now he has not fulfilled, and I say he has failed to fulfill. He has turned a blind eye to. Number one, Galamsey. He made us know say Galamsey no sa na MPP for no mo Galamsey ti onu John Mahama oba onchi obi a Galamsey bia he will go for the kingpins.
Lose 2020 no after about 3 months no chance. The next leadership a bit me aye Mahama Asiedu Nketiah Mahama no ye one pair Mahama versus Hwan Bagben versus we Bagben okay and no chance here yes I did na and I'm who sa kwa obeka kan yetiabo na meto bombu ba pe.
The village.
There's I don't know a course about and this your more pair candidates no ever make us say Lotto focus village Lotto focus. I say any car Sadia no so any time enough time as we be as she say near because Sadia no a course from beginner and Castracha say yes she say and they prepare for your campaign and they are doing and come so.
And you Musa Dankwa when you
No. I feel say or no the Najuma no. But said they na esi ba ya a bit top party no man for and potential to create confusion for our government. So It's not about the accuracy or otherwise of BBBR, but the potential to disrupt the government. Me use medium, he say. Obi a ope president ye dio. The ope messenger dio. Ye nyina ye nhwe say ye faith ye tied to the success of President Mahama.
Simple.
Na ye de saa competition ni ne manema ebetomu a ensem bebre suspicions needless rivalries ni ade ade betimi abam eno so kura betimi aye motivation for corruption.
Yes. So be a person of fabric or pre.
Me so men copes can copre en muna scandal mienu bebomu a
Wa wie.
ye wie so until hwe mu udwene ho ko akira you're very dangerous grounds wa ya hwe ya emwaye intimasre mama President Mahama peace of mind.
Right now, what we are seeing, no kingpin is being arrested. They are arresting the people who are doing the galamsey in the forest, and they are jailing them. They are letting the foreigners go. Galamsey is at an all-time high. And Trona or try, and he has failed in that domain. Boku conflict is still ongoing. Is worse than ever. And John Dramani Mahama. Meanwhile, our promise say Baumia fuel conflict nenti or best of it on Yanson V. Our promise here 24-hour economy. What about Baimuri and tissue found? The finance minister read a budget. There was nothing about 24-hour economy in the budget. And he fairly poto. Oka say LIB that allows for mining in forest reserves. No? He was going to repeal it. Repeal and say he will go to abrogate it, cancel it entirely. Sana okay. After about buy more say there be until me repeal it, and the say they will do some amendment to the LI. So far for the first 90 days to 100 days of John Dramani Mahama, we fairly gonna for Porto. They say that a person else soon cry and means to because as soon as showing us some you doom so. Every single day Yakupon ye bia organa a doom light or baby. Ya you voter cry there. A Bruce Susana, ye regional minister we say debi. I say be cry. Na regional minister o. Our your mama appoint you. Or say na your mama de baby ko bia there. Okay, one kasa about. Me na make. Na your mama de anytime o papa wa pe. Na doom so sa. Enti honorable say could do Nketiah or pajo mama cho or say kotojogu from Nansada and Sayema or panacho he should do everything possible to succeed so that he Asiedu Nketiah the mosquito can also become president one day. This has been a political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.